Hello friends, you are studying the Maths of class 10th, chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression, in which exercise 5.3 you have completed question number 11. Now question number 12 is given, find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. First 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So first you write down the integers which is divisible by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24 up to so on. How many times? 40 positive. What is n given? 40. Find the sum of 40 positive integer, but first you find out it is AP or not. So 12 minus 6, 6. A2 minus A1, D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, 18 minus 12, 6. D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 6. So it is an AP. If it is AP, then what is A6? What is D6? What is N? 40. You want to find out Sn. It is the formula given. So very simply, you are seeing any positive integer. You can also write without this, multiple of the positive integer is divisible by 6. Form the table of the 6, and so it has a equal common difference, that's why it is a statement form. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula will apply. S40 is equal to 40 by 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. You can take common 40 by 2 into 2, you can take common, then here 6 plus 39 into 3. 2 3 is 6, and this 2 and 2 cancel. 40 into 6 plus 3 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, and 1 10. It is your 2 3 is 6, 3 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 3 9 is 27, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and 2 11. So 40 multiplied by 1 23, 0 4820 is your answer. Sum of it is given 4 3 4 to the 4 3 is 12, 4 to the 8, and 1 9. 4920 is your answer. Question number 13. Question number 13 is given. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. Same question. First 15 multiple of 8 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24. Up to so on. How many times? How many given? First 15 multiple. N is given. Number of multiples are given 15. So what is the D1? A2 minus A1, 16 minus 8, 8. What is D2? 24 minus 16, 8. D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 8. So it is an AP. Very simple formula you apply. No need to think what statement you write down. What will you? D is equal to 8, N is equal to 15, S15 you want. It is your solution. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value as 15, 15 by 2, 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. So again, for cancellation of 2 is common in both. 8 plus 14 into 4, because 2 4 is 8. 2 and 2 cancel. 15 into 8 plus 56. 15 into 64, 15 4 ja 60, 15 6 ja 90 and 96. This is your answer. 960. What is your answer? 960 is your answer. Very simple. Next question is given. Find the sum of odd number between 0 and 50. Find the sum between the odd numbers. Odd numbers. Sum of odd number between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50. It is given 0 and 50. 0 and 50 means what is the odd number? 1, 3, 5 up to 49. These are the odd numbers. These are the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 49. What is the D? So D1 3 minus 1 2, D2 5 minus 3 2, because D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 2. So it is an, what is A? 1. What is D? 2. What is N? You want to find out. AN is given 49. Then you find out Sn. A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the N? 49 is equal to 1 plus N minus 1 into D. Common difference is 2. And first number is 2. 49 minus 1 is equal upon 2 is equal to N minus 1. 48 by 2 plus 1 is 1. So 24 plus 1 N, that is 25. What is the N? N is 25 you are getting. So 5 the Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus An is given. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2. What is the A? 1 plus 49. So 25 upon 2 into 49 plus 150. So 25 into 25 you will get 625. So your answer is sum is 625. Very simple. You see that. What you get? What is given first term and 40, 50. Before 149 is the odd number and you are getting A, D, N, An and Sn you want. So A plus An formula you will apply. Question number 15 you will see. Question number 15. What is given? In the question number 15, what is given? In question number 15, a contractor is constructing construction job, specified a penalty for the delay of the completion beyond the certain date as follows. It is given rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day. It is the late payment for the work of construction rupees 200. The second day it is rupees 250. Third day it is rupees 300. What is rupees 300? What is given? Rupees 300 in the third day. So what are you seeing here? It is given 300 for third day. So penalty is in each successive day is increased by rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money of the contractor pay as penalty if he is delayed by working in 30 days? For the 30 days. For days, 30 days, what is the penalty? How much penalty he will pay for the 30 days? If he delayed it 5 minutes, sum of all the first day 200, then these penalties will be added because up to so on. So first you find out because penalty is increased equally. Because penalty increase equally as rupees 50 per month per day. So it forms AP. So what is A? 200. What is D? 50. What is N? 30. You want to find out Sn. It is the formula given. So by this, how will you do it? So first Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S50, S30 is equal to 30 by 2, 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into 50. 50 rupees per day. How much penalty will be at the end of 30 days? If it is increased, so simply you will do 15 into 400 plus 39 into 50. 15 into 400 plus 1950. So 1500 into 050 2350. 15 zeros are 0. 15 5 ja 75, 3 7, 15 3 ja 45, 52. 5 is left. 15 2 ja 30 and 35. 3 5. It is the penalty for the 30 days. 30 days. 30 days. 30 days. 29. One wrong I have written. Here one place I have written wrong. What is that? This place. It is 29, not 39. What is given? 29. 29 means 0, 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10 and 4, 14. So it will be 58 1. 7 7 120 27 27770 27750 75. 15 5 ja 75 0 rupees 27,750 will be as penalty. Multiplication some difficulty you are seeing. Okay, so that's all in this lecture. In next lecture I will tell you